How to create an event on iPhone Calendar. Locate the Calendar app on your iPhone's home screen and tap to open it. At the upper right corner, tap on the plus icon. Alternatively, you can tap on a specific date to start creating an event right on that day. Start by entering the event title at the top. Add a location if necessary by tapping on Location and typing in the address or name of a place. Now, tap on the Start option to adjust timings. And the End. If it's an all-day event, simply toggle on the all-day switch. If this event repeats, like a weekly meeting, tap on Repeat to set the frequency. Every day, every week, every 2 weeks, every month, and every year. You can even customize how you want. Choose to add an alert to remind you before the event starts. Tap on Add Invitees to send an invitation via email to anyone who needs to join the event. Add a URL or notes if there are more details or resources related to the event. Once all details are filled in, tap Add in the upper right corner to save the event to your calendar. And that's it.